Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making air fryer Cajun chicken salad and I'm using my DeLonghi Multifry. I'm starting off with a whole chicken that I have washed and patted dry, and here are the seasonings that I'll be using. So this chicken was too tall to fit in any of my air fryers, so I'm going to spatchcock it. That means I am going to cut out the back of the chicken. I actually got this idea from my girl Booger. Please go check out her channel. She's got lots of videos using this air fryer. Anyways, I saw her do this technique to make her chicken fit in the air fryer. So here I'm using a butter knife to lift the skin up from the breast, and I'm going to put some sea salt under there. Next, I'm going to season the whole bird with some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Next, a little freshly ground black pepper, some granulated garlic and granulated onion, and then finally some paprika. The inside of the bird will just be seasoned with some sea salt and black pepper. Isn't she pretty? All nice and well seasoned. So I'm gonna let her chill in the fridge for a little bit before I cook her up. Now I'm going to place the chicken in a small oven roasting bag, and I'm going to add some Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. I'm gonna give that a nice little shake, 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 and make sure that the chicken is well coated. So now I'm going to make sure that the chicken is thoroughly coated, and then I'm going to shake off any excess flour. Alright, now it's time to cook this chicken. So I've placed a rack in the bottom of my DeLonghi air fryer, and I'm going to nestle that chicken inside. Doesn't she look all nice and cozy? So now I'm going to spray it with some extra virgin olive oil. This will help crisp up the skin and help with browning. Now I'm setting the DeLonghi to level 3, which is about 300, and I'm making sure that the bottom heating element is on, and I'm going to let it cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. So I'm spraying the dry spots with some more olive oil, and I'm checking the temperature. I still got a way to go. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit longer and then get started on the salad. I've got some apples, celery, red onion, and red grapes. I've got some homemade candied pecans. If you want a video for how to do this in the air fryer, let me know. So in a mixing bowl, I'm adding my fruits and veggies, about 2 tablespoons of some Major Grey's chutney. You can find that in the, it's in the same aisle with like mustard and stuff. And then I've got about 3 tablespoons of mayo, some black pepper, no salt because the chicken has plenty of salt. I'm adding my candied pecans and then some plain pecans, and I'm going to let that chill in the fridge. So this is what the chicken looks like after another 20 minutes. Listen to that sizzle. So I'm going to check the internal temperature, and this bird is done. Now somebody may or may have not eaten the wings off that chicken, and they may or may have not been bomb. So good. So after the chicken rested for about an hour, it was time to cut it up. Look at all that juice coming from the chicken. I mean, air fryer chicken is so juicy. So I'm just chopping up the chicken into small bite-sized pieces to toss into the mixing bowl with my other salad ingredients. Once all the ingredients were mixed together, I topped it with some more chopped pecans, and I put some tater tots in my Philips air fryer, and it was time to eat. This sandwich was delicious. My family loved it. So I do hope you give this a try. Even if you don't make the chicken salad, do make that fried chicken because it was bomb. Flavorful, juicy, bomb. You got to try it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen.